Hey guys, what's up? It's James Fomba. Thank you for watching this video. Today's Wednesday, September 4th, 2019. I earned over $1,000 with the Power Lead system this week. So I just wanted to show proof of results as well as give some action steps and tips that can help you grow your online business. And if you want to check out the Power Lead system for yourself, I have my website link directly below in the description box, and I have some cool bonuses for you if you decide to partner up with me. And so I'm going to show you guys what those are. So really quickly, I'm going to hop into the private Facebook group. All right, so here you could see 3 hours ago, Michael Price. Good morning, PLS family. We just paid your weekly commissions. We are in the last, we're really in the last third of this decade. Let's end it well so that the rest of your life is amazing. Did you see my post yesterday where I released a new sales funnel for what PLS is? If you want to use the share code, here it is. All right, guys. So you know what? I'm going to also in this video show you how simple it is to plug in share codes, because if you partner up with me, I have some cool share codes that I have for you where you'll have a done for you sales funnel that presents the program for you and has follow-up emails all coded to your website. But you know, those emails are professionally written. So I'm going to show you how to use the share codes in this video as well. So here, let me just copy this. Control copy. Boom. I'm going to show you where to paste it. But with some payouts, guys, here, let's do this. So congrats to you, Al Hassan. You know, he said, thank you, PLS, showing he got paid. Here, guys, you could see this week I got paid $1,287. So that's in 1 week. And that's also the power of going all in your business. So here you could see Sean saying he's aspiring to get here. And I'm like, you'll make it. My very first pay was only $6. And you already got me beat by an extra commission, right? Your progress will be amazing. And you're doing excellent by focusing on lead generation. Congrats to you as well, right? So really want everybody to succeed. But guys, you could see here, I'll hop in my email. All right, so you can see I'm getting new leads. Also, I also got another gold member who just joined me, right? So I sent him my daily routine. And then check this out right here earlier today. You could see, dear James, you have received a payment from Paylution for the amount of $1,287.08 on September 4th, 2019. All right, and today is September 4th, guys. So that's the power of this business. What I wanted to do now is I'm going to log into my back office, and then I'm going to show you how to use share codes. All right, so you can see how to plug in these kind of things. All right, so let's do this. All right, so here we are in my back office. I'm going to log in front of you. All right, so you see I logged in and I went all in the business, meaning when I got started, I didn't just stay at the entry level. I purchased all the products. Now, I didn't start that way, you know, but as I was working my business, I went all in. If I had the money to go all in right away, I would have purchased all the products right away. I started at the lead lightning level. All right, here, I want to show you guys this really quickly. You just lost a platinum. All right, so you see these right here. You just lost a platinum commission. Look, a lot of these in 2017. This is when I didn't have the money to go all in my business. And what I learned is that when you're advertising, there's different people out there who want different levels of things, and they want a different quality of things. Meaning, I like using clothes because it's easy to understand. But for example, someone out there may just want some Levi jeans, right? And they only want to pay $40 for their jeans, and they're fine with that. And then there may be someone out there who they want Dolce and Gabbana jeans, and they want to pay $800 for their jeans, right? And you guys know there's people that they like how it feels to have that prestige of feeling like, here, I'm wearing high class stuff, high quality stuff. And in online business, it's the same way, where there's people out there who love high ticket products because the training is more in depth, it's more detailed, and also the earning potential, right? All of these here were $400 that I missed. Look, 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, 2400. That's 2800 right there, right? So it shows that if I would have went all in my business back then, just advertising it the same exact way, I would have earned those extra commissions when people bought products on the inside. It's important to note that, because that means that that's not me being the salesman. That means that's somebody watching the company's presentation and they like what they see and taking action. You see what I'm saying? So going all in is what really helped me take my income to the next level. What I wanted to show you guys here was, you saw where I copied that share code. How you enter share codes is, you see I hovered over websites. I'm going to go to my sharing codes. You see get content under this code. I'm going to paste it. You see that code, submit. You see how it says code added? You see what's PLS right here? I'm going to click manage. I can view the content of this page. So look, you see right here. And now, guys, there's only a lot of options here because I've been using this system for years. But when you're brand new, I have share codes for you where you can have a done-for-you sales funnel. And when you enter that code, you'll see the sales presentation page. It's really smooth with setup, and there's videos that walk you through. But you see here, what's PLS by Michael Price. I'm going to just test this link. All right. And now you see, I didn't have to go make that web page. I didn't have to be a product creator at all. Something that's already created and done for, and now it's all coded to me, is that page. You see that? So that's what the power of share codes is. With the tools here, let's say you're in a different business and you create a cool looking funnel that helps you promote that business. You can make a code that you give to your team that gives them all the same pages that you're using, but it will become coded to them so that they get credit when people join them. But you see how you can create duplication this way. So you see here this page, let's go through it. It goes over what the Power Lead system is. Generate leads, easily generate your own leads. And look, there's a video, so let's click it. All right, and it goes over the free lead system testimonial. That's cool. Increase sales, tools to easily sell a lot more of anything, right? With learning how to use sales funnels. Okay, awesome. Recruit reps, easily recruit a lot more reps to sell anything for you. You see how I showed you guys, just like I used the share code here, I didn't have this page until I did that, you know, and I have a share code for you if you want to get started with me that will give you a done for you funnel. But here you see how these are. Then look, the kind of residual you receive, $20 for every $30 customer direct to you. And then residual of $10 for every on the second level. So that's why they say it's like 100% commissions, because it's a 2-tier. There's no pass up sales. Anytime you get a gold member, here, I can show you guys from personal experience. You see here, this gold member who just partnered with me today. You see, I'm blocking the name, but this gold member stayed on your pay line, paying you $20 per month for their product purchase. Plus you earn a 50% match bonus for their entire pay line. So what that means is, let's say when this person starts working their business, when someone joins them as a gold member, they get paid the $20 per month, like the same way. But then because of the pay structure, I would be able to get I would get $10 out of that. It doesn't come out of their money. You see that? Just like my sponsor, and I've never spoken to my sponsor, you know, and not for anything, but just because it's affiliate marketing and the system and the tools on the inside do the training. But right here, when this gold member joined me, my sponsor right now just earned a $10 per month residual. You see what I'm saying? But it didn't come out of my money at all. There's no pass-up sales. It's just how the comp plan structure is, which is really powerful. So there's no pass-up sales. And then here you have your high-ticket products. Free ad secrets. It's only $147 one time, but you earn $100 commissions anytime you have a diamond member, a direct sale. And when someone on your team gets a diamond member, you get $25, right? Powerful comp plan. But I have the link below that goes into a team training. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And the tip that I want to give you, and thank you for watching this video. Get out of here real quick. All right, the tip that I want to give you is once you get started in your business, you want to make your key focus lead generation, right? When you have a system that does the presenting for you, you don't want to jump in the way and try to always be the presenter, right? Where you want to hold home meetings. The presentations are there for you so you don't have to do that. When people join me when I'm sleeping, that's only happening because when they opt into that website, a company presentation explains things. So you want to make sure your focus is not on trying to be the recruiter and over explaining things to people, right? You want to focus on lead generation. What I'm doing with these videos, when I get into explaining, I'm sharing with you guys after I'm taking the actions, right? This would not happen for me if I wasn't focusing on lead generation, so I'm just sharing what I'm experiencing with you guys, and the things that have helped me. So you focus on targeted traffic and then you work on your own personal development, right? You're getting people to see your website, but you're also working on how to communicate with people better, right? You're learning everything about your business. So if they have questions, you can direct them to the correct answers. Or if you have to, you can answer it, right? But you know what your business about. What your business is about. You see what I'm saying? So guys, thank you for watching this video. You've seen here this week, I got paid $1,287 in 1 week. I'm so thankful, and it's not about showing off. This is just what's possible when you get started in the Power Lead system, when you go all in and then you stay committed to the process. All right. So if you decide to partner with me, my first bonus is you get access to my daily routine of advertising strategies. It's a video I put together that goes through the thought process and the things that I do from Monday to Sunday, all right, working my business. The second bonus is you get access to the traffic sources that I'm using. The third bonus, if you go all in with me, we can mastermind. I'll help you set up your sales funnel. And I'm also going to buy 100 clicks for you to your website to help you grow your business. And you can always reach out to me whenever you need assistance, right? Because it's about really helping you get your business going. And I'm in this long term, all right, guys? So thank you for watching this video. I have my website link directly below if you want to check it out and get started with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside, all right? Be blessed and take action. Peace.